Hey guys, so it's Saturday and we are here at Paniman Beach inside Puerto Azul in Ternate, Cavite. Actually, it is 2 hours away from Manila. Umalis kami ng 2 a.m. and then nakarating kami dito ng 5 a.m. And nag-stop over kami sa Naik because doon kami namalengke. It's our second time going here. So, the last time was 2023 and now is 2025. So wala naman masyadong naging update on sa pricing nila. 300 pesos for the adult and 150 for child. So for the recommendation, again, since kami kasi hindi kami nagluto at namalengke na lang kami sa Naik, that's the nearby market going to Ternate inside Puerto Azul. So, mayroon kami mga dalang mga utensils and everything na magagamit namin sa panluto. But then, since medyo isa lang yung dala namin and kinulang, marami kaming na ilutong food, nag-try din kaming magpaluto dito. So, gumamit kami ng kahoy, pangluto. So, nagbayad na lang kami. Actually, wala naman silang binibigay na price for that. Pero nagbigay na lang kami ng 100 pesos since naluto naman namin yung sinigang. So for the water, dito na lang din kami nagpa-refill kasi wala pang open. The last time kasi nang pumunta kami dito, medyo late, kaya 2:00 medyo matao and wala kaming nakuhang magandang cottage. So yun na lang, para at least hindi din kayo mahirapan pag pupunta kayo at hindi din hassle kasi medyo traffic pa SCTEX and Cavitex. Kapag inabot na kayo ng 5:00 bandang Pasay, Paranaque. Yan. Ayun, sorry. It's Cavitex. So, parang not SCTEX. Sorry, erase that. Erase. Ayun, so, pag inabot kasi kayo doon ng traffic, talagang malilate kayo ng dating. Actually, kung maaga naman kayo makarating dito, by 7 a.m. nagpapapasok na sila. So, wala naman nagiging problem doon. And then, before, walang kuryente. But for now, nag-offer na sila ng extension na may pay. So, wala na kaming problema pagdating sa charging. When it comes naman sa signal, ang malakas dito, Globe, Smart, walang data. Pero, meron, you can send messages and use yung pag-call. So, ang wala lang is yung data for Smart and other telco. Pero Globe, magagamit naman yung data. So, yun. May sabi sa amin si ate, someone na taga dito, na nabili na daw to ng Solaire and gagawin nilang casino. That's the reason why ang daming guard and then ang daming staff na naka-uniform ng Solaire. So, magiging casino na siya. Eventually, i-close na siya at gagawin na siyang hotel. So, if you want na pumunta or matry before mag-summer, pero hindi pa naman this year mag-start yung building nung casino. If you want to spend your summer by April, May, yon, better. Pumunta kasi kami ngayon, March. Ayan, before yung summer. Yung mga mag-Holy Week, magbabakasyon, or just want lang ng getaway from the metro. Yan. Perfect din naman dito. Mura lang. It's 300 pesos for the entrance fee. Then, 2 hours from Manila. Ayun. So, I hope, guys, mabisita ninyo yung Paniman Beach here at Puerto Azul bago siya maging resort. Ayan. Yes, it's recommendable sa mga bata, family, and couples then. Yun. Pero again ha, wala pong overnight dito. So, strictly by 5 p.m., kailangan ng umuwi or mag-pack up. Kailangan nyo na mag-pack up with your direct. Charis. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.